Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself Hiten Kenny, and today we are going to learn about how to calculate the strength of given connection using the Indian Standard 800 2007. Now assuming that we have given the butt connection as shown in the figure, where the bolt is used as M16 4.6 grade with 10 mm thick two plates as well as 5 mm thick cover plate using the double cover. It means that our cover plate is of 5 mm and the thickness of plate is 10 mm. Now next thing, we have given the M16 4.6 grade bolt. It means that the pitch value, which is equal to 2.5 into D, it means 2.5 into 16, which is equal to 40 mm. It means that the distance between these two bolts is 40 in the direction of load as well as the perpendicular direction of load. Now next part is end distance or edge distance, which is equal to 1.7 times the diameter of hole. So 1.7 into, for 16 mm bolt the diameter of hole is 80 and the value is near about 30 mm. It means that the end distance is 30 mm and this distance is also 30 mm. Now from figure we can say that our two plate size is 40 plus 60. It means 100 cross 10 mm. So if we have not given the size of the plate but we have given the detailing of the plate, then we can find out the size of the plate. Now let us go for the calculation. Now we know that for M16 4.6 grade bolt DSB and the bolt value is 29 kilonewton for single shear, but we have given the butt connection. It means that our connection is in double shear. It means that we have to use bolt value in double shear, which is equal to 2 times the value of single shear. Now according to the figure, total 4 numbers of bolt is provided in single plate. In left hand side plate total 4 numbers of bolt is provided, or we can say that in the right hand side plate we have 4 numbers of bolt, but the bolt value is 58 kilonewton. It means that the load of section or connection is equal to numbers of bolt into bolt value. Now we have provided 4 numbers of bolt and bolt value is 58 kilonewton, which is equal to 232 kilonewton. So according to the bolt value, our strength of the connection is 232 kilonewton. Now going ahead, we have equation TDG, which is equal to AG Fy by gamma m0. AG is equal to gross sectional area, which is equal to 100 into 10. Fy we are generally using 250 as a Fy, and gamma m0 it is 1.10, which is equal to 227.27 in terms of kilonewton. Now above value is for the bolt and this value is for the gross section, or we can say that the yielding strength. The another part is TDN, which is equal to 0.9 AN Fu by gamma m1. In our case 0.9 in constant. For the value of AN, total width is 100. Out of 100, 2 numbers of 16 mm bolt, it means that two numbers of 18 mm dia bolt is removed from the width into thickness of the plate, which is equal to 10 mm. Fu is generally we are going to use 410 divided by gamma m1, which is equal to 1.25, which is equal to 188.93 kilonewton. Now this value is for the rupture strength. So we can say that for using the numbers of bolt, the strength is 232. By using the yielding strength, it is 227.27, and for using the rupture equation, it is 188.93. Now generally strength is the minimum of all these value. It means that our strength of connection is so our strength of connection is 188.93 kilonewton. It means that if the detailing work is given for the calculation like this, in which the bolt is given as a M16 4.6 grade bolt, thickness of cover plate is given as 5 mm, and thickness of the two connecting plate is 10 mm, then the strength of this connection is 188.93 kilonewton. So if any types of the detailing work is given, if the number of bolts are given and the diameter of bolt as well as the size of the plate, then we can find out the strength of given connection. If you have any query, you can mail me. My mail ID is described in the description link. Thank you.